Welcome to the video Guide to Amazon Business Customers. Amazon sellers list, price, and ship products to customers around the world. Many of those customers buy items for personal use. They purchase products in small quantities for themselves, their families, or their friends. Another group of Amazon customers buys items for professional use. These business buyers are often employees of companies, nonprofits, or government organizations. Some are also procurement professionals tasked with sourcing products on a regular basis. Business customers frequently want top purchasing power to secure larger quantities of goods. They value selection and look for discounts on bulk purchases. They also want to streamline procurement and make distributing products as efficient as possible. At Amazon, we provide business buyers with a range of purchasing solutions through Amazon Business. With a free Amazon Business account, buyers keep their personal and work shopping separate. They can also convert their personal account if they want to shop on Amazon exclusively as a business customer. Anyone can create an Amazon Business account at business.amazon.com. Having an account gives professional buyers several advantages. Amazon Business customers have the opportunity to review business-only product selections. They can also view business-only pricing and quantity discounts and can access time-saving features that help them run their businesses better. Organizations can select from a variety of features depending on their needs and goals. Small businesses use Amazon Business to find flexible payment options and to secure free shipping with Business Prime. Big businesses use Amazon Business to get custom reports on their purchasing trends and to make buying easier to track and reconcile. Nonprofits use Amazon Business to comparison shop in relevant categories, to set up approval workflows across agencies, and to ensure they are sourcing products from sellers with particular diversity and quality certifications. All these features and more are available to every buyer who opens an Amazon Business account. To learn more about Amazon Business and how you can grow your own business by selling to professional buyers, see our module, Introduction to Amazon Business Features. This concludes our video. Thank you and happy selling on Amazon.